This is my 240 centimeter C-band satellite dish. Recently, it stopped receiving signal. Today, I will walk you through how I identified the problem and fixed it safely while staying active after 50.
We, the American people, will not tolerate a king. We will stand strong against any such thing.
When satellite TV shows no signal, the problem isn't always the dish itself. Often, it's something blocking the signal path. In this case, over time, 3 branches grew into the satellite's signal path. Even small obstructions can completely block a C-band signal. Because the tree is taller than my ladder, I decided not to take unnecessary risks. At this age, working smart is more important than working fast. So, I am getting help to cut the branches safely. Staying active after 50 doesn't mean doing everything alone. It means knowing your limits and making safe choices while staying involved. Cleaning up is part of the work. It keeps the environment neat and gives the body gentle, useful movement.
Further on is Loch Ness Playworks, where...
Gosh, good stuff.
You can serve that with some charred sourdough.
Over the hill.
Andy's rustling up the sauce for his mussels in a far basket.
So your designs are inspired by the sea? It's beautiful wilderness. I'm feeling inspired for a turn on the wheel myself. So Rebecca, at the age of 7,
And just
I
like
made
that,
a mushroom out of
the
clay.
signal is back.
Later on at school, I made a plate.
simple
But I
fix.
use the word plate very loosely. And
But
2 years ago,
important to
I made a candlestick holder.
After 50, staying active is about independence, responsibility, and peace of mind. Small tasks like this keep us strong, engaged, and confident in everyday life. This is active after 50. Real life, real activity, simple living. If this kind of content speaks to you, consider subscribing and walking this journey with me.